Alright, so now we let it dry for, or cure for 2 days. And color hasn't changed much, but definitely is a lot smoother and still has quite a bit of sheen on it. It's starting to feel like a finished guitar now. So now we'll get the steel wool, knock everything down lightly, and then we'll stain it once more. Alright, so took it off, sprayed it with some air, used a cloth to make sure I got everything off, came back and realized that I just sanded on my painting towel. So flipped it over, and I have been flipping it over the whole time. See the red from the body, then on the other side I have some amber from the neck. So I got the lint-free cloth and trying something a little different today. Cut it into quarters. Hopefully I won't have as much waste as I have been having. Alright, this is all shook up and second base color. Trying to put a little more pressure than I normally do. As I've been looking at it, it's been very light, but the pictures I take of it make it look really dark. I'm enjoying the dark color more than the lightness. It's not drying off as fast as it was.
Shut up and sit down.
I had to double check the instructions because I just want to put a whole bunch on here and let it soak in, but the instructions reminded me not to do that. So it says put the stain on in a swirling motion and then wipe all the excess off with the grain.
Shut up and sit down.
Alright, folded the towel over so I could wipe off all the excess. Now, make sure we Get all this excess off. I so just want to leave it on there though. That's good.
Shut up and sit down.